At WellSpan, I would say, I think probably like a lot of health systems right now, we're all in on AI. Are fully embracing it. WellSpan in particular, we have an innovations department that I'm a part of that is, you know, that's our purpose in life, is to be looking for and embracing new technologies, finding ways to pilot. So we, as a healthcare company, all in on AI. It's being used all over our organization. We've got everything from tools that help our HR staff to service requests, related to benefits. We've got helping clinicians in terms of radiography, radiography results, and helping, find cancers we couldn't find before. So for us, AI isn't just one thing. It's providing value kind of across our organization for both our teams, in healthcare. I don't need to tell you, right? We're always going to be understaffed. We are never going to catch up with the staffing shortages in healthcare, and anything we can do to help our clinicians, help our nurses perform at the top of their license, strip away some of the tasks that something else can do.